Welcome to the next session of circular arrangements. Fine. This is coming under the heading of seating arrangements. Now look at this. When we arrange the objects or persons on the circumference of a circle, then it is called a circular permutation. That is circular arrangement. So when you are arranging circular arrangements facing towards the center, the persons who are occupying these places are facing towards the center. Then you remember this way. This is right, left, right, left, right, left. Right, left. Downward, all left. Downward, all right. When you move in a clockwise direction, look at this. When you move in a clockwise direction, down is always left. When you move anti-clockwise direction, then down is always right. Remember these 2 points. Remember these 2 points. And let us see the numerical problems which we have in circular arrangements. Five persons are sitting. Five persons are sitting facing center of a circle. Facing center of a circle. Pramod is sitting. Pramod is sitting to the right of Ranjan. Raju is sitting to between Brijesh and Naveen. Raju is to the left of Brijesh. And Ranjan is to the right of Brijesh. Who is sitting to the left of Naveen. This is my question, sir. How many persons? 5 persons are there. Let us take 5 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 places. Okay. Pramod is sitting to the right of Rajan. So one place we have to fix. Remember circular permutations concept and permutations and combinations. When you are arranging the objects on the circumference of a circle in a permutation, relative position of one object is fixed. Relative position of one object is fixed. Here also in circular arrangements, here seating arrangements, what I have to do, I have to arrange the things or persons according to one person. Let us take Pramod. Pramod is sitting to the right of Rajan. So let us take Rajan here. Now, remember, with respect to Rajan, if I move clockwise means left hand side of Rajan I am moving. With respect to Rajan, if I am moving anti-clockwise direction means right. Otherwise, in the question, if it is given to the left means clockwise direction. If it is given right, anti-clockwise direction. Or simply you write this way, left right. This is left right. This way. Rajan. Pramod is sitting to the right of Rajan. So Rajan will come here. Rajan will come here. Raju is sitting between Brijesh and Naveen. Raju is sitting between Brijesh and Naveen. Raju is to the left of Brijesh. Ranjan is to the right of Brijesh. Ranjan is to the Pramod. Raju is to the left of Brijesh. Raju is sitting between Brijesh and Naveen. Raju, if I take Raju here, Raju is sitting between Brijesh and Naveen. Two places we have. How Raju is sitting? Raju is to the left of Brijesh. So if I take Brijesh here, left hand side of Raju is Brijesh. And Ranjan is right of Brijesh. Ranjan is right of Brijesh. Naveen is there between Brijesh and Naveen. This is one arrangement, sir. This arrangement has not satisfied the conditions given. Pramod is sitting to the right of Ranjan. Pramod is sitting to the right of Ranjan, no problem. Raju is sitting between Brijesh and Naveen. Raju is between Brijesh and Naveen. Now after that conditions, Raju is to the left of Brijesh. Raju is to the left of Brijesh. So I have to change the positions. Let us draw one more circle. Raju is between Brijesh and Naveen. Raju is to the left of Brijesh. Left means I have to move clockwise direction. Raju is to the left of Brijesh. Raju is to the left of Brijesh. And then Ranjan is to the right of Brijesh. Right of Brijesh. If I take Raju here, Raju is to the left of Brijesh. Left hand side of Brijesh is Raju. Ranjan is to the right of Brijesh. Brijesh. Ranjan is to the right of Brijesh. Ranjan is to the right of Brijesh. Raju is sitting between Brijesh and Naveen. No, sir. 1 minute. One, two, three, 4, 5 places. Raju is sitting between Brijesh and Naveen. If I take Raju here, Raju is to the left of Brijesh. If I take Brijesh here, with respect to Raju, left, right. No. Raju is to the left of Brijesh. and Ranjan is to the right of Brijesh. Ranjan. And Naveen is sitting to the, and Raju is sitting between Brijesh and Naveen. And take Naveen here. Naveen. Raju is sitting to the left of Brijesh and Ranjan is to the right of Brijesh. This is also over. How many? 4 are over. Who left over? Pramod. Pramod is sitting to the right of Ranjan. Pramod is sitting to the right of Ranjan. Yes, Pramod is sitting to the right of Ranjan. I have to change the position. Then you'll get this. One more time, let me try. This way. Before that, is it correct or not? Five persons are facing center. Pramod is sitting to the right of Ranjan. Raju is sitting between Brijesh and Naveen. Raju is sitting to the left of Brijesh and Rajan is to the right of Brijesh. Who is sitting? Okay. So Pramod is sitting to the right. I take Pramod here. This is left right. Pramod is sitting to the right of Ranjan. Ranjan. Raju is sitting between Brijesh and Naveen. Now, 5 persons are over. Let me see the conditions. Raju is sitting between Brijesh and Naveen. Raju is to the left of Brijesh. Look at this right left. Raju is to the left. Brijesh. And Raju is to the left of Brijesh. Ranjan is to the right of Brijesh. Ranjan is to the right of Brijesh. Right hand side of Brijesh. Who is one more person? All 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Over. Now who is sitting to the left of Naveen? Where is Naveen? This fellow. Who is sitting? Ranjan is sitting to the left of Naveen. This way 1 or 2 times. Just you go on a trial and error method. There is no fixed criteria for this. So one way I arranged this, it has not satisfied all the conditions. Therefore it is taken in this manner. So this diagram is right. And this is not, because it has not satisfied all the conditions. What are the options given here? Who is sitting to the left of Naveen? Left of Naveen. Left hand side of Naveen. Pramod is sitting. Naveen's left hand side. Pramod is there. Ranjan is also there. No. Option is not that one. Let us see one more time. Raju is sitting Brijesh and Naveen. If I take Raju here, Brijesh, Naveen. Raju is sitting between Brijesh and Naveen. Over. Raju is to the left of Brijesh. Raju is to the left of Brijesh. Again it is wrong. Raju is sitting to the left of Brijesh. And Ranjan is to the right of Brijesh. Right hand side Ranjan. So 4 are over Ranjan. Who is left over? Pramod. Pramod. That's all. Now what is the question? Who is sitting to the left of Naveen? Left of Naveen is Pramod. So 3 times I tried and 4th time I got the answer. But in the exam you don't have that much of time. So do some good practice at home. Next question. Let us see this 2019 November exam question. 2019 November. 6 persons are sitting in a circle. Sitting in a circle facing center of the circle. Facing center of the circle. Parik is between Babita and Narendra. Parik is between Babita and Narendra. Asha is between Chitra and Pankaj. Chitra and Pankaj. Chitra is to the immediate left of Chitra is to the immediate left of Babita, who is to the immediate right of Babita. Who is to the immediate right of Babita. Now sir, let us draw 2-3 circles first. At home, I am trying all the methods, whatever ideas I am getting. Parik is between Babita and Narendra. So let us take Parik here. Babita, Narendra. Parik is between Babita and Narendra. Asha is between Chitra and Pankaj. Asha, Chitra and Pankaj. Now 6 persons are arranged. Let us see whether this arrangement is satisfying all the conditions or not. Otherwise, I'll change the positions. Asha is between Chitra and Chitra is to the immediate left of Babita. Chitra, look at this. This is right. This is left. Chitra is immediate left of Babita. This condition is satisfied. Let me see whether the question is 6 persons are sitting in a circle facing the center. Parik is between Babita and Narendra. Parik is between Babita and Narendra. Asha is between Chitra and Pankaj. Chitra is to the immediate left of Babita. Okay. Now, sir, what is the question? Who is immediate right of Babita? Who is immediate right of Babita? Answer is Parik. In first trial only I got the answer here. In the first trial, this is also trial and error method. Okay, so this is the answer. Let me check up the solution. Parik is the answer to the given question. In case with this, if I don't get the answer, 2 more circles I have. At home I can try all the methods. Sometimes intentionally I'll go in a wrong way, so that whatever arrangement I am taking in a wrong way, all these are eliminated in the examination and you will get the correct idea. Your brain will not supply the wrong ideas in the exam. Now let us see the next question. Six persons are sitting around a table. Six persons are sitting around a table. Ajay is sitting. Ajay is sitting facing Hemant. Who is sitting to the left of? Who is sitting to the left of? Arvind. And the right of Sanjay. Right of Sanjay. Suman is to the right of Arvind. Suman is to the right of Arvind. Manoj is facing Arvind. Manoj is facing Arvind. If Hemant and Manoj, Arvind and Sanjay, Arvind and Sanjay mutually exchange their places. Exchange their positions, not places, positions are places one and the same. Who is sitting to the right of? Who is sitting to the right of Manoj? Okay, let me draw 2 circles. First one, according to the problem I am moving, and if anything go wrong, then I have this one. Same type of mistakes I don't commit there. 6 persons are sitting around a table. Ajay is sitting facing Hemant, who is sitting to the left of Arvind. Let us take Ajay. He is facing Hemant, so Hemant is here. Hemant. Ajay is sitting facing Hemant, who is sitting to the left of Arvind. Hemant is sitting to the left of Arvind. So I'll take Arvind here. Clockwise direction, if I see Hemant, who is sitting to the left of Arvind. 3 persons arrangements are over. Suman is to the right of Arvind. Suman is to the right of Arvind. Manoj is facing Arvind. All are over. Right of Sanjay. Sanjay is there. Ajay is sitting facing Hemant, who is sitting to the left of Arvind. Who is left of Arvind. And right of Sanjay. No, this is wrong. Why? Because right hand side means anti-clockwise will come. No problem. I'll go here. Ajay is sitting facing Hemant. I'll change the position. Ajay here. Otherwise, Ajay facing Hemant. So Hemant will come here. Ajay is sitting facing Hemant, who is sitting to the left of Arvind. Hemant is sitting to the left of Arvind. And right of Sanjay. For him, right of Sanjay. This is left. So right hand side of Sanjay, who has to come? Hemant has to come on the right hand side. Right left. Okay, Hemant is sitting to the right of Sanjay. Suman is to the right of Arvind. Manoj is facing Arvind. So Manoj will come here. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 persons. Let us see the conditions one more time here. Ajay is sitting facing Hemant. Look at this. Ajay is facing Hemant. And who is sitting to the left of Arvind? Hemant is sitting to the left of Arvind. Hemant is coming to the left hand side of Arvind. And the right of Sanjay. If I take Sanjay here, right hand side of Sanjay is Hemant. Suman is to the right of Arvind. Suman place right hand side of Arvind means Suman is coming here. Manoj is facing Arvind. Manoj is also fixed. If Hemant and Manoj, now this is original diagram. This is original arrangement. This is original arrangement. Now, second part of the question. If Hemant and Manoj interchange their places, so Manoj will come here, Hemant will go here, Arvind and Sanjay. So Arvind come here, Sanjay will go here. So remaining two places are same. Suman at his own place, Ajay also at his own place. Now after the change, who is sitting to the right of Manoj? Who is sitting to the right of Manoj? This is Manoj. Who is sitting to the right of Manoj? Look at this. This is left, right. Left, right. No. Who is sitting to the right of Manoj? This is Manoj. Right hand side of Manoj is Sanjay. Right hand side of Manoj is Sanjay. That is the answer to the given question. Right hand side of Manoj is Sanjay. Let's see one more question. Six girls are sitting in a circle. Six girls are sitting on a circle. S is sitting. Opposite to R. S is sitting opposite to R. P is sitting to the right of R. P is sitting to the right of R, but left of D. But left of D. M is sitting to the left of R. K is sitting to the right of S. K is sitting to the right of S. To the right of S and left of S. Now D and K and M and R, M and R mutually exchange their places. First question. Who is opposite? Who is opposite to S? Who is sitting left of K? Third question. Who will be sitting left of D? Who is sitting left of D? So first one diagram for original arrangement, then we can go for the change diagram. Now sir, 6 girls are sitting in a circle. S is sitting opposite to her. Let us start the arrangements with respect to S. So S and R opposite to each other. P is sitting to the right of R. For him, this is left right. One, two, three, four, five, six. Now, P is sitting to the right of R. P is sitting to the right hand side of R. Right hand side means anti-clockwise you are doing. But left of D. So D will come here. D is left hand side. Left means clockwise you have to move. M is sitting to the left of R. M is sitting to the left of R. Left hand side of R. K is sitting to the right of S. K is sitting to the right of S and left of M. That condition is satisfied. Left of M moving clockwise. This is original diagram. In first shot only I got for right arrangement. It's all my luck. Even you in the exam also when you are doing same. So first time you want to get means you need some good practice. Let us say this is original. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 places. D and K are changing their positions. M and R. So S will remain same. D and K are changing their position. D will come here. K will come here. D and K are changing. M and R also. M and R. So R will come here. M will come here. So P will remain same. P will remain same. Once again, to avoid any confusion, left hand side, right hand side. Right hand side, left hand side. Right hand side, left hand side. Right hand side, left hand side. This is right hand side, left hand side. Right hand side, left hand side. Just to avoid any confusion. Who is sitting opposite to S? Now who is sitting opposite to S? Answer to first question is M is sitting. Answer to the first question is M is sitting. Who is sitting to the left of K? Where is K, sir? K is here. Left of K is who? P. Answer to the second question is P. Answer to the second question is P. Who is sitting to the left of D? Where is D? D here. Left of D is who? Yes. So third question answer is yes. Once you know how to arrange the things on the circumference of a circle, then the rest of the things are very simple. Okay. Let's see the next question. Six persons are sitting on a circle. Six persons are sitting on a circle. A is facing B. A is facing B. B is to the right of E. B is to the right of E and the left of C and the left of C. C is to the left of D. F is to the right of A. Now D exchanges his seat with F. His seat with F and E with B. Now first question. Who is sitting to the left of D? To the left of D. Who is sitting to the left of C? Who is sitting opposite of A? Okay, sir. Now, original arrangements 6 places 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 places. Now, A is facing B. Let us start with A. A is facing B. Or you can take A here, B here. A is facing B. B is to the right of E. Now, once again, right of E means with respect to B, you have to move anti-clockwise direction. Look at this. B is to the right of E. Right of E. If I go this way, B is to the right of E means B will come to the left of E. So I'll take E here. From E's point of view, I have to move in a anti-clockwise direction. B is to the right of E. And the left of C. Left of C means C will come here. B is coming to the left of C. From C's point of view, it is left side. And from E's point of view, it is right side. C is to the left of D. C is to the left of D. F is to the right of A. F is to the right of A. F is to the right of A. Right hand side of A is this. So I will shift one place to this way. F is to the right of A. I will take A here. F will come here. AF. B is opposite A. B here. B is on the right hand side of E. So E will come here. Left hand side of C. C will come here. D, how he is sitting? C is to the left of D. C is to the left of D. B is to the right of E, that is over, and left of C. C is to the left of D. F is to the right of A, that is also over. A, now E left over. B is to the right of E. E. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This place is not required, I can E. Now all arrangements, let us see. A is facing B. A is facing B. B is to the right of E. B is to the right of E. Again this is wrong. B is to the right of E. I'll take A here. This is B. B is to the right of E. And the left of C. C is to the left of D. D, C, if I take this way, C is to the left of D. C is to the left of D. B is to the right of E. Let me see my solution. It's correct. ADC. B is to the right hand side. This is left right. Which way I prepared? Let us see. A here. A is facing B. This is B here. Fine. B is to the right of E. Whatever position, maybe it is right and it is left. So here B is to the right of E. So E is here, B is right and left of C. Left of C. C is to the left of D. F is to the right of A. F is to the right of A. Now this is my original. Let us see the changed places. Changed places. Who have exchanged their places? D exchanges his seat with F. D and F changed. So D will come here, F will go here. A will remain same. E with B. E and B. B will come here, E will come here. C will remain same. 6 places. Now look at this. Who is sitting to the left of D? Who is sitting to the left of D? Who is sitting to the left of D? Now left, right. For E this is right, left. For C it is left, right. For E it is right and left. Now, who is sitting to the left of D? Left hand side of D is A. Answer is equal to A. Who is sitting to the left of C? Where is C, sir? Here C. Left of C is E. Answer is E. Next, who is sitting to the opposite to A? E is sitting. Answer is E. So this way you have only one question given in the ICA material. These problems are collected from other source. So these questions I given to you only for practice. Okay. More the practice you will get, more confidence you will get. Otherwise you will confuse somewhere else. In the classroom or at home it doesn't make any difference. But in the examination hall time is constrained. Therefore, do some good practice with presence of mind. Here you see some of the diagrams I erased because intentionally I committed some mistake to say what type of problems you will also face while watching these videos and trying the questions at home. So be careful. Initially, when your arrangements are not correct, then don't worry. Go on doing practice. And as far as arrangements are concerned, there is no fixed criteria because it is a circular permutation. One object from the question you pick up, according to that you go on arranging the things. One time you will get mistake, second time you will get mistake, third time you will get perfection. So this is the area where you need some good practice. As far as linear arrangement is concerned, some hint will be provided so you don't get any confusion. Okay, thank you. Do some good practice. Any doubts? I am here to help you. Thank you.